Hello everyone, today we're going to look at grid method multiplication. Now, you have seen videos that I have made with grid method multiplication, but today we're going to do it with money. Now, this is a different method for multiplying with money. I can show you another method which is the column method, but this one's a little bit different and can help you to separate the pounds and the pence in English money. Okay, let's have a look at the question and we can see both methods if you like. Okay, here's the question. I have £2 and 56 pence in my pocket, okay? Now, this is the price of a magazine, but I need to buy 6. So I'm going to multiply this number by 6, okay? Now let me show you the normal method that we used to do, okay? Here we go. Here's my pound sign. Don't forget your units of measure, which is your pound sign in this question. £2.56, and we're going to multiply by 6, okay? Let's do our nice straight ruler line, and let's have a look at how we do this question. What's my trick? That's right, put in your decimal point first. Okay, pop it in the place. Here we go. What else could we put in so we don't forget? That's right, your pound sign. Good, well done. Here we go. 6 multiplied by 6, 36, correct. We pop the 6 here and we put 3 up here next to the 5. What do we do now? Good, 6 times 5 is 30. Add in your 3, 33. Pop your 3 up here next to the £2. Good. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Excellent. Add in the 3. We have 15. Final answer, £15 and 36 pence. Now, what's this other method that you've told me about, miss? Here we go. Let's set it out. Grid. 2 lines down, 1 line across. Okay, what are we going to pop in the top corner? Our multiplication sign, correct. Here we go. £2 goes in here. Stretch that out, okay? Where does 56 go? 56 goes here across the top. You pop your 50 here and your 6 here, because what you have done is partitioned your pence into 50 pence and 6 pence. Okay, pop it in there. What are we multiplying by, everybody? Correct, 6. Good. Now let's have a look at how we do this. Exactly the same as a normal grid method multiplication. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, correct. But don't forget, you need to pop in your pound sign. 6 times 5, we know that, that's 30. What do we need to remember? An extra 0, good. Now, stop. That's not 300, it's 300 pence. What's 300 pence, everybody? £3, good. Let's pop in a pound sign and a little decimal point. Squeeze it in so you remember. Now we take the 6 again and we multiply by 6 and we have 36. What do we do now, everybody? Good, we add it all up. Okay, pop it underneath. £12, £3, and 36 pence. Draw your ruler line, add it all together. 6, 3, decimal point, 12 add 3 is your 15 and your pound sign. Okay, shall we check we have the same answer for both methods? Good. My grid method multiplication with money and my traditional multiplication method with money. The same answer. Well done, everybody. Have a go at it and see what you think.